Pee outside as much as you can. And if you happen to pee a little while pooping, that's what the urine diverter is for. Poop and toilet paper go in the can. Cover with sawdust, but don't let the sawdust into the urine diverter. You must close the lid when you're done for this system to work properly. When putting a new can into a willow feeder, place a bit of tube with the jagged end into the can and add at least 4 inches of sawdust. If any liquids get past the sawdust, they'll end up under the tube. As the years pass, the liquids will evaporate. When taking a can out of a willow feeder, put 3 inches of sawdust on top. Tie the lid in place and clearly mark the date it was sealed and when to open it. Store for at least 2 years.